We often need to export Safari passwords for backup, share with others, or import your Safari password to other browsers and devices. In macOS Sequoia, we can access keychain passwords and Safari passwords through a password manager app called Passwords. Launch the passwords on Mac using Spotlight Search. Verify with your Mac login password or Touch ID. Now, from the top menu, we can export all or selected passwords in CSV file. To select multiple passwords at once, select by pressing and holding the Command key from the keyboard and select passwords one by one. Now, from the top menu, File and Export Selected Passwords option. Select Export Passwords. Don't worry. Your passwords will still be there in the Password app after export. Choose a location and save. That's it. Select Export All Passwords under the File app from the top menu to export all of your passwords. Tap the Export Passwords option and select Location to save the exported CSV file on Mac. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.